The Moanalua Gardens Foundation celebrates our 50th anniversary of nonprofit community effort. Kamakapili takes a look at some of our achievements.
Moanalua Gardens celebrates their 50th anniversary this year. While the Prince Lot Hula Festival has been their signature event, the foundation continued their community service by enriching and educating our youth, protecting our Aina, and perpetuating our culture. We talked with Managing Director Pauline Warsham, seeking more insight into their 50 years of activities and achievements.
Moanalua Gardens Foundation was founded in 1970 to preserve and protect Kamananui Moanalua Valley by two granddaughters of Samuel Mills Damon, who inherited the entire Ahupua'a from Princess Bernice Pauahi Bishop. Our core purpose was to protect and preserve and malama the Aina, including Kamananui Valley. In the late 1970s, we founded the first environmental education program in Hawaii called the Ohia Project Curriculum, and it became the model for other environmental programs to follow. In 2012, we launched our first place and culture-based program called Huaka'i'o Kamananui, Aloha Aina Moanalua. With that curriculum, we train teachers to go back to the classroom and teach their students. Then they're brought into the valley on a site visit. And during that site visit, they learn, they see, they touch, and they also do a stewardship program. So that also teaches them, how to be responsible stewards of the Aina. This month, we're launching a new program. And this one is called Malama Kamananui Environmental Education Initiative. We're going to be training two cohorts of high school students to learn how to be docents for the valley. So they're going to learn about the history, the origins of the valley, and then they will become the tour guides for our students and the community.